I'm going to give a brief introduction about where we are and what we're doing, and then we'll go through the Open Data Portal just to give us an introduction of how to do things, how to search for information, and how to actually send in requests for the kind of things we think that is valuable and we do after. So what is the Kenya Open Data Initiative? So this is a move by the government to make data that should actually be public and free to anyone, any citizen to actually use. I don't know if you've all heard about something called the data hugging syndrome, where if I have data, I feel very powerful, and I don't want to give you that data because at any given point, someone important may call me asking for that data. But through the open data platform, we're pushing the government there's a lot of data that should actually be made public to anyone, but then a lot of institutions are still like, no, this is data, matters of national security. So this initiative is trying to make data open so that it can be turned into useful applications. They are very, very developed here. To support transparency and accountability. Where is my CDF money going? What is my MP doing with our money? What initiatives are being done by the government? What tenders are being given? Who won the tender? What is needed? Then making sharing data between the public sector and partners, more efficient. So the new constitution, we still call it New Matters, we had it in 2010, has the Article 35 bill that gives the right to freedom of information for all citizens. So let us exercise that right and get data. So good characteristics, the characteristics of good data. This sounds more like a class letter right now. It's accurate, it's organized, it's timely, it's verifiable, accessible, economical, and usable. And this is what the Kenya Open Data Initiative is driving at. We have data right now, we still have complaints that, this data is not accurate, these stats are not reflecting this kind of information. But this is raw data that we get from the institutions. So we are working really hard at trying to make the data we have, turn into these characteristics so that it's good and usable data. Sorry about that. It was complete when I read it. But this is a question for all of us. I need 5 volunteers. Anyone? Just stand up if you want to volunteer for this question. The question is not on the board, so. Any 5 volunteers? Thank you. I need one more. Thank you. Normally, we have 6, which is fine. Normally, I'd go like, we don't have any ladies in the house. So out of this, I want us to spend just about 15 seconds. Think of these as 2 separate slides. And then I want you to tell me a story about one. So think of them as 2 separate pictures. I want you to tell me a story about one. When you're done in 15 minutes or before that, if you're ready to tell me a story, you raise your hand. I think 15 seconds are done. Okay, since no one is offering, tell me a story about any of the two.
My story, I can see from there is real ground in East Africa.
Which story are you telling? The first one? Fast. Next.
Well, I guess the safest food crisis, first one. Second one just looks like.
It was complete.
What?
It was complete before, but yeah. So you're telling the first story?
The drought is forcing the elderly to get back into the workforce. Second.
Thank you.
To me, it looks like I'll talk about the photo. It's symbolic in a way, and it shows that the older generation have really been affected by the drought. I don't know what was in the other half of the photo.
No, it's a complete picture of her.
That's her, yeah. So that's
looking at the photo, I'm seeing a story of poverty, just by the way the woman is dressed, and the background, I'm imagining that is a home, a house.
Could you shout?